Hi, my name is Helena. I'm 20 years old and I'm from California. My experience at Sattva has been such a huge transformation. I came here expecting to have a regular teacher training where I'm learning alignment and flows, but then when I got here and I got to this land and experienced the energy here, it was such a healing vibration. And for me, it's been a lot more than just a teacher training. It's been a complete transformation. I've come across situations where I felt like when I was doing my yoga and I couldn't go anymore, and I transcended that. And that was something in my past that I never thought I could do. And I'm finding my voice, I'm finding my power here because of Sattva and my experience, and I'm reconnecting to my true self and finding my way. And I used to be so scared to play in front of people and sing, and Sattva's opened that up in me and helped me find the ability to express myself no matter what situation, but to find my authentic truth and to live it every day. Sattva isn't just a yoga teacher training, it's a life training. It's changed my life for the better. If you're looking to change your life, truly, and every aspect of it, not just how you practice yoga when you're on a mat, but truly touch yourself and the lives of others around you and find your light, your inner wisdom, then you should come to Sattva, because it's just a chance to dive deeper. And if you're willing to look at that and look inward and meet yourself again, then come to Sattva. I'll play a few chords. Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.